Today I'm going to be making some knobs with the Automate. So far it's turning out pretty good. The program came out fairly well, and the post processor that I had made for Sprut Cam seems to be working really well. So here I'm going to fire off, and yes, I have the rapids down to about 200 inches per minute right now, just because of the fact that it's a little less disconcerting when you're testing out a program to have the rapids going that quickly. I've also got my coolant ramped up a little higher. So hence why the visual isn't as good as usual. I'm a little conservative on my cuts yet. I'm only doing about 20 thousandths per inch on the roughing pass. I know I can bump it up to about 40 thousandths, but I'm kind of using up this cutter that I have in there right now, and it's not the greatest, so I'm just doing lighter cuts. Max RPM on this job is 2,500 RPMs. And this is doing the finish pass. And then it's doing a little bit of drilling. Yes, you saw right, that is an end mill in there. It turns out to be a pretty darn good way of drilling when you don't quite have a lot of shorter, stiffer drill bits. I've been doing that a few times and it really works well. So I just start it with that one so that the drill gets on center. I'm going to be switching out to some screw machine drills. And here it is actually doing a knurling pass. I got it going kind of slow, only 500 RPMs. And it's doing the knurling rather slow as well. Kind of hard to see. There we go, there's a bit of a good picture. Should be able to see the knurl here in a moment. And not quite yet. So here I'm doing the parting pass. I'm doing a peck part. So it does, think about 1/10 of an inch or 100 thousandths. And then it backs off just for a little bit of a chip break. And it's going to knock it off here momentarily into my little basket, which you can see below. And I'm going to open up the drawer and you'll see the finished part. Now I still got a little nub on the end which I'll have to clean up. But the knurl came out really nice. The only thing I haven't done is the tapping into this part, but that's only because I don't have the right size tap on hand, so I'm just going to tap them after the fact. So anyway, there's just another part on the Automate FL300-II. Thanks for watching.